Through neon-lit urban landscapes, a revolution in nutrition access is unfolding. Witness as artificial intelligence transforms food deserts into oases of abundance, each smart fridge a beacon of hope. Like technological guardians, these AI-powered stations pulse with fresh produce and protein, available 24/7 in previously underserved communities. Your neighborhood's nutrition landscape evolves as these crystalline chambers maintain perfect freshness through quantum monitoring. Through advanced distribution networks, these digital food hubs ensure no family goes without essential nourishment. Your community's health metrics surge as accessibility barriers shatter, each smart fridge a portal to better living. Ready to witness the future of urban nutrition? Join our newsletter for innovation updates.